Crisis Services.
Hi. I don't,
Hi, Andy.
my foot and ankle and knee really hurts. There's no place to sit, and he's not even close. I don't even know where I'm at.
Well, can you see a street sign?
I gotta come up to the store sign, and I gotta find somewhere to sit. You know where the North Carolina DPW is?
Yes, I do.
That's where I'm at.
Okay.
Between there and Walmart. Closer to that DPW thing.
Yeah.
I gotta find a place to sit.
You're not that far away.
From what?
From the police station, then.
I don't even know if Andy could even walk that far.
Do you think that this was a good idea that you were making?
Well, I need to get help. I'm told by my lawyer, if I have more people pressuring Adult Protective Services, it is going to get me help, especially when you have law enforcement advocating for me at this point.
Maybe the bottom line will be that they get you into an apartment and they'll be able to help you learn how to take care of things, right?
Well, okay, can I tell you this? I don't even know what my options are. I need 24-hour supervision. I do qualify for independent living center medical aids for 24 hours a day. They did determine that. However, I can't have the services in Niagara County at all. They cannot help me with anything. I need a higher level of care, she said. I'm putting these phone calls, just to let you know, up on the Google Cloud Drive because I was unlawfully detained by the North Carolina police last night, and I'm going to hold this for evidence into a 941 unlawful detainment of force of care, police misconduct. Yeah, I'm Andrew Ditch. It's Tuesday, September 8th, 2020.
I have autism spectrum disorder. I want to file a complaint against the police for letting an autistic adult in danger. I have a legal right to have due process of a court against my abuser.
Andrew, what do you need?
Can I have your name, please?
No, what do you need?
Can I have your name, please?
Lieutenant Class, what do you need? Do you need medical help?
I need help filing charges.
Medical?
I want your help to file charges.
No, we're not filing charges.
Why?
Not happening.
Why?
Medical help?
Why are you depriving me? I have a right to have due process. I have a right to due process. Okay. You're refusing me that. So you're allowing an autistic person at the side of the road without helping me back to my hotel room, right?
Okay.
This is going on YouTube. Police abuse. I want to, if Andy's going to walk to the station and I'm filing a police report against police misconduct. I'm filing police misconduct charges. I don't want to be abused anymore. I have a legal right to due process. My Fifth Amendment right, my Sixth Amendment right, if not mistaken, is being violated, and my First Amendment right.
Summary. Section 242 of Title 18 makes it a crime for a person acting under color of any law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. For the purpose of Section 242, acts under color of law include acts not only done by
Just for the disclaimer, it is 2:23 p.m. or a.m. It is September 8th, 2020. Lieutenant Glassman, a lieutenant of the North Carolina Police Department. I'm outside. I don't know exactly remember what street this is. I'm not familiar with this area, but there's a car wash and a car dealership. I'm going to just get a picture of my surroundings just so the recording could get this. I've been deprived my constitution to due process and to file a complaint against my against my abuser. And it's according to the law, it says section 242 of Title 18 makes it a crime for a person acting under color of any law to willfully deprive a person of a right of privilege, and protection by the Constitution or laws of the United States. I gotta use my AC app. It's hard to read, and I'm overwhelmed.
Section 242 of Title 18 makes it a crime for a person acting under color of any law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. For the purpose of Section 242, acts under color of law include acts not only done by federal, state, or local officials within their lawful authority, but also acts done beyond the bounds of that official's lawful authority, if the acts are done while the official is purporting to or pretending to act in the performance of his or her official duties. Persons acting under color of law within the meaning of this statute include police officers, prisons guards and other law enforcement officials, as well as judges, care providers in public health facilities, and others who are acting as public officials. It is not necessary that the crime be motivated by animus toward the race, color, religion.
So, that's abuse. That is abuse. I'm coming to you to show you and ask you a question. Please turn that off. Oh, I can't even freaking get up to talk to him. He's freaking blinding me. What's his name? Can I come over to talk to you? Really? I just want to talk to you and not. Okay, you're afraid. Okay, fine. You know what? I'm gonna be asking to speak to this detective, or actually Captain Smith, I think, or I forget his name actually. Your detective, your captain. Freaking abusers. Just because Andy can't get freaking help, I'm gonna call my lawyer. They're depriving to talk to me, because I think they know I'm right. I'm on the sidewalk trying to get them to help me, and they refuse. They're following me, and it's unconstitutional. And if they're going to give me a trouble, for the that's my intersection. Oh, I'm hurting. Let's take a little picture of this video of this police car here, so we get the police car plate number. Right, the plate is actually blinding. And this guy here is freaking harassing me. Talk to this guy here. Can I... So you're gonna walk away from me. Okay, fine. Have a good day. I guess I'm free to go. Record it. Sorry.
Why are you calling so many times?
Because I am not in a safe living situation, and hospitals send me out all the time.
But we're taking you to a hospital, right?
Hospitals send me out 15 minutes later.
But it's on record to get you into a better living situation. That's the reason why you go to the hospital.
Yeah, and they can't help me because of COVID virus. It's a medical issue why Andy needs to go, not a mental issue. I just wanted to ride back to my hotel room because it's not really a medical emergency right now. That's what I asked the officers. It was on my, it's being recorded. It was recorded, and it's on their body cams too. And all your phone calls are recorded too, so you want to risk violating a false police report and civil rights? Article 18, 242, police misconduct, depriving the rights of a citizen and falsifying arrest.
How long?
You're falsifying arrest. You're willing to do that.
Arresting you, Andy.
Yeah, it is. Technically, 941 is an involuntary arrest. It's not a crime, but it's technically, involuntary arrest. It's a detainment, and I did not consent to it. I did not threaten anyone. Check their officers' body cams. Andy went to their windows to try to talk to them to show them my medical records and living situation. You're going to tell me right now that it's not something I wanted them to help me with? Andy just wants that help and back to my hotel room. That's why I was recording them. And it's going on YouTube.
Okay, we're going to take you to the people that can help you right now.
And I don't need help right now. Andy just wants Adult Protective Services to help me.
Are they open right now?
No,
Okay.
but Andy is safe.
Why are you walking out on the police station?
Because the lieutenant, what's your name?
Why are you
What's the lieutenant's name?
Glass.
You're Lieutenant Glassman, right?
Yeah.
You told me at around 11:45-ish to come to the station.
That's wrong. You're a liar, Andy.
I have it on recording and it's going on YouTube.
You're lying. I never
Look on YouTube. Look on YouTube, sir.
Nope, I do not want to do that, Andy.
Because you know I'm right.
I told you not to come to the station.
Really?
You do not come to the station because we cannot help you, Andy.
Why?
I told you that on the phone.
Why can you not help me?
Because is Adult Protective Services open right now?
No, but you guys don't help me. That's all I needed, your help. I'm not threatening myself or
I'm trying to
anything.
help you right now, man.
Well, this is not to help because ECMC in Niagara Falls Hospital, 15 minutes later, you know that's illegal on 941.
It's not illegal.
They will send me out 15 minutes later.
Listen, dude, listen.
I'm not a threat to myself
Okay,
or
but
others.
Listen, you said numerous times that you're going to get hurt. You're going to hurt yourself.
No, I said it could happen because I have a judgment issue. Why did you deprive me of coming to my hotel room to talk about it?
Because I can't call Adult Protective Services for you. I can't do that.
Why? You're a police officer.
It doesn't matter. They determined they will not help you.
I have an APS worker.
Andy.
I have an APS worker. You want to call her and tell her that right now?
No, I really...
American Communication Dispatcher Catch.
I am getting a hard time. Why? Autism.
All I need is you to be on the phone as a certain...
I don't have medicines that I have to take for this. I need a group home.
I can transfer you over there per the lieutenant.
They won't.
I'm
There's
following
no
the
practice
direction that
on
he wants,
every
so I can
hospital.
transfer
You already
over
know
there
that.
per what his request is, okay?
Don't consent. Don't consent. Hurt your back.
Lieutenant Glass
Okay, if you touch me, I have a legal right to defend myself, just to let you know. And you're not going to win.
Well, I then asked
I have a legal right to protect my civil rights and liberty, sir. I have a legal right to protect myself and defend myself from unlawful detainment.
We're not trying to hurt you. We're trying to help
I have a legal right to refuse the help and unlawful detainment, sir.
Okay, you called us for help, and we're here helping you, Andy.
Yeah, and
We're
you
not
left
medical
me.
doctors,
And you
Andy.
left me the first time.
Okay,
Andy just needed a ride to the hotel, I told you.
Okay, but you were
or
walking
back
the
to your
wrong way,
station.
Andy. We're not taking you to the station. because we can't
Andy
help
was
you at the
my
station.
hotel is back that way
Correct.
where I was walking.
Okay, but you never asked for a ride back.
Yes,
to your
I
hotel.
did. It's
No,
on
you
recording,
didn't.
sir.
Okay, well, I didn't hear you ask anybody for a ride for your
And he
hotel.
even went to your window and your other officer's window.
Okay, well, listen.
That's why you're a
here now.
pig.
Okay. You don't need to call names, Andy. We're not calling you names.
I plead the fifth. Any further communication is between me and my lawyer.
Okay.
And I will refuse to go. I do not consent to unlawful searches, seizures, and detainments.
Take your backpack off, Andy.
No.
Take it off. Take it off.
No.
Gonna get cut. Dude, I have really nice scissors, and I really want to use them on your back. So I suggest you take it off.
Andy, can you take it off so we don't have to cut it?
Thank you. Good job.
Andy,
I'm not hurting anyone or anything. I just
we're gonna have
want to go
to cut
back to my
I don't want to cut your
I have a
back.
legal right to that.
I don't want to cut
you
your
don't have to
backpack.
cut your backpack, Andy. Come on, man. Just listen. We're trying to help you out.
I want to go back to my hotel
know you
room.
do.
I'm not a threat to myself or others.
But you're unable to care for yourself, and that's why you wanted to go get help in the first place.
Yeah, and they won't help me there.
We're trying to help you because we're determining
Yeah,
you're
and
unable
then
to
they
care for yourself right
discharged
now.
me to the streets without a cab.
Andy, can you take your backpack off?
Only if I show you my medical records of all the ECMC visits.
Okay.
We believe you, Andy.
If you get your backpack off, you can show me that once you get your backpack off.
Andy, if you take it off, you can show me.
Yeah, you can show me once you get your bag off.
And he's being abused. That's why I'm malpractice on those
Hey,
hospitals.
bud. Hey, just take your
I'm
bag.
willing to go.
Hey, okay.
I'm willing to
All right.
go, but I just not to go to ECMC on my phone.
Okay, can you just take your bag off and show me your paperwork then?
Yes.
All right, cool.
I will not go to.
Okay, I just want your bag off so I can.
Or Niagara Falls because I have a legal right. Oh, you lied.
No.
I wanted to show you my medical records.
Oh, they're in here?
Yes.
Okay, well, why don't we sit on the thing and we'll determine where don't you want to go? Where don't you want to go?
You said it was on your body cam. Now let me get my paperwork to show you.
Where is it at?
It's in my folders.
Where's your
I
folder?
have also medical records on my phone.
Okay, listen.
I have a legal right to get
where
help.
where
And
don't
these hospitals
Andy,
do not
can you
listen
let me
to
talk?
you
Can you let me
guys.
talk for a minute, Andy?
So I'm just
Can you let me talk for a
telling
minute?
you,
Let me talk.
please
Okay,
listen.
but let
They
me
don't
talk.
help me.
You listen. Where
Even when ODs a couple weeks ago, they did not help me.
where don't they help you? What places?
They discharged
Where?
me. ECMC,
Okay.
Niagara Falls Hospital. Even when I'm able to care for myself, why you think
They
that he has
canceled us
legal
and gave us a
representation
policy.
on that part? However,
There's a lot of paperwork, Andy. It's not. I'm not a doctor. I don't even know how to read that
I'm
jargon.
supposed to show you all my ECMC records.
Well, I'm sure you do,
I
bud.
even in and out of it, even with language problems. I never once said I was going to hurt myself.
But you're unable to care for
I
yourself.
know, but that's a legal hygiene law. Do you think they have to keep me? Yes. But will they? No.
Okay. Well, that's for them to determine. Okay.
Yes. I'm part of fake. I am not faking myself.
Okay, well, right now you're unable to care for yourself. You're walking down the roadway.
I was not
on
the
the
roadway.
Okay, on the sidewalk, going the wrong
sidewalk.
direction.
Wrong
You're calling.
direction. My hotel room is going in the direction I
Oh,
was
you're
walking.
going the other way, going to the station for some
Yeah,
reason.
because I was told by the lieutenant.
The lieutenant wanted told you to come to the station.
I had it on my phone.
Okay, well, maybe you misunderstood.
Well, that's because
Yeah.
I'm language
Okay,
problem.
well, why don't you get on the stretcher and
I don't consent to it.
well, you're gonna have to, bud.
Why?
Bud, you have to go.
You want to stay to be cozy anyway.
It's quieter.
It's quieter, but this is going to be nicer over here. You have a nice, clean bed.
It's quieter in my hotel
All
room.
right, well, you have to get on the bed, okay?
I don't have to.
You do. All right, bud.
They give you your own room up there. It'll be nice and quiet.
They won't keep me.
Then you can leave right up there. You know what?
They won't keep me.
Okay, then
I've
they'll get
been
you back.
through this all the time.
Okay, then after they determine that, then you can go back to your hotel where you want to go. But until that time,
I
you
want
gotta
to be in the hospital where they get to test them, but they
But
won't.
Andy, they can't keep you there forever. But you're going to at least be able to talk to somebody and tell them
I'm
your
not a
concerns.
mental health issue. I
Okay,
have
listen,
autism.
listen.
Autism's not mental health.
Andy,
You're going to promise me. Can you put it ready for me, sir?
Well, I'm not going to write anything.
That they're going to
I'm
keep
not
me?
going with you. They're not going to keep you forever, Andy.
No.
They
to
can't
find
keep you
placement.
forever.
They can find placement.
That's up to them, Andy. I can't make them do
Can
that.
you put it in writing?
No, because I can't tell you
Andy, what
that.
you told me was they were having trouble placing you because you refused to get out of your diaper.
No, it's not that. I
And that
can't.
was some of the problem with one of the places. They were going to pay. They were going to.
ID number, sir?
0 0 0 182.
All right, come on. We
Okay.
got to get on the stretcher, bud.
Come on, man.
What's your ID number?
0 0 0 1 800 and 2. Yeah.
All right. All right. He gave you what he did. Now you got to get up on the stretcher, bud.
I don't really want to go. They're going to refuse to help me.
They're not going to refuse to help you, but they're not going to hold you forever, Andy.
Well,
Okay?
they won't place me. They won't find
But
proper
what
placement.
if they can't? Andy,
Right, 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 right.
It's because I don't have a diagnosis other than autism.
Okay, then
And
at least
adult
talk to
protective
somebody.
services will
Talk
not
to
help
somebody,
me.
Andy, and tell them that. Talk, but
They
be nice.
know.
But be nice when you
They
talk to
know.
them. Listen, Andy, you got to be nice when you
They
talk to people,
know.
okay?
And there's deprived health there.
All right, but can you be nice to them
I
at
don't
least?
want to go to the hospital.
I know you don't, but they can help you.
I don't have to go.
They can talk to you, Andy. Come on, they
How
can talk
can
to
they
you.
talk to me? Talk is not like they can be independent.
If you're nice to them, they'll talk to you and maybe give you some resources on who to call to maybe get help. But you got to be nice.
Well, can I tell you this?
Yeah.
The reason why Andy wanted your help is because if I'm told by the lawyer who's giving me legal representation, and you're recording this, right?
Yeah.
So when Andy goes to the office to file a police complaint against your unlawful cannabis, I'm not a threat to myself or others. I cannot care for myself, which is a medical 944, not mental health.
But Andy, you're going to a hospital that can look at you medically and mentally. But do you understand that? Okay, but you just said you can't take care of yourself, and you're going to a hospital. You're going to a hospital. We're getting you help, and you got to tell. But listen, okay, but they're the only ones right now with doctors. Okay, there's probably different doctors than you've dealt with before. There's different doctors. No, they don't have any doctors on right now?
They've dispatched, got discharged people from the waiting room just yesterday.
Oh, they're terrible. Listen, Andy, so tell them that it's not a mental...
I watched it happen twice.
Yeah.
I've been discharged by every doctor.
Okay.
Because I am not being able to meet my needs independently.
Okay. But can you go...
Is that not a concern?
It is a concern, but can you tell them tonight, say, hey, maybe it's not a mental concern, maybe it's a medical concern. And these are my medical concerns, and tell them real nicely. You tell them what your medical concerns are. But they don't know, Andy. Maybe you're probably going to be dealing with a different doctor.
Can I tell you this? Putting me in the hospital on a mental issue is going to cause me an insurance issue because they're already denying me that.
Okay.
Because Andy's abusing the system untold.
Okay.
Because I use a lot of communication problems to get help. And even when Andy overdosed on the 28th or something like that last month, they refused to help me. They sent me out even after choking myself in the CPAP. Do you realize that is medical abuse and misconduct and malpractice?
But
I was suicidal then.
But do you understand they can't hold you? They can't hold you forever, Andy.
Yeah,
they can't
but
do
they
that.
should admit me for that.
But they can't admit you. They have rules, Andy. They got rules.
When you're suicide, when you're affecting yourself for others,
they cannot admit you forever. They can't keep you there. They can't.
But they have to keep you there.
No, they don't. They don't
if
have to.
If you're affecting yourself for others, they have to.
Okay, well...
I am not a threat myself.
But you just said that you're a threat to yourself because you can't take care of yourself. That's a threat. So listen, Andy, here's the deal. Listen, can you tell them tonight, tell them that you need medical help. Tell them it's medical and not mental. And tell the doctor, you talk to the doctor very nice. You got to be nice to him, Andy, okay?
All I want is help.
And I get that. And that's what...
Have you seen my living condition?
I have.
They're horrible.
I know. That's why it's going to be nicer in the hospital tonight. It's going to be a lot nicer. Listen, you don't know that. You have to be nice. You got to talk nicely to the doctors.
Can you make sure it's on their statement what I'm going through?
It is on. He wrote it. He wrote it on his statement. Okay.
Can I have a picture of that?
No, we can't take pictures.
I want to take a picture of it.
You're gonna have
legal for my malpractice.
Okay, listen.
That's all he wants to have.
They can probably get you a copy in the hospital, but I can't guarantee that.
Can I go and take a picture of that?
No, not right this second. Because they're trying to pack everything up to get you on the stretcher so we can get going this way. Because we have emergencies going on right now. We can't respond to them.
I have my phone, and then I'll get my phone.
You can have your phone, okay? But you got to get on the stretcher, and we got to get you going so we can take care of other people. What are you going to do with your phone?
I want to take a picture of my 941.
But I don't have a copy of that right with me on right now.
I can take a picture of what is the ambulance driver, right?
I don't have a driver. Hey, now.
Well, you guys have a 941 right? So I can take a picture.
I'm not going to let you.
The hospital will give you a copy of your
If you need a copy, the hospital will supply that if they're allowed to, but I can't let you take a picture.
They won't.
Listen, it doesn't matter about that. We need to get you help, Andy. You need to go talk to somebody about your medical conditions. Medical.
Do you realize even when Andy goes to sleep every single time, 15 minutes later, they send you out.
They won't do it.
And they can't.
They're not going to send you out in 15 minutes.
They do.
Okay, but if you're being belligerent and you won't talk to the doctors if you start carrying on with your legal stuff, they're not going to, and you won't talk to them. They have to let you go.
Can Andy tell you this?
What?
When I had exercise testing my discharge. Unsafe discharge, even at emergency. When they sent me to the street, when I got hit by a car running my foot across the street with my foot from Century Club. Do you think it's fair that every hospital he goes to is an accused hospital shop and doctor shop and just trying to get help? And
No,
then
I don't think that's fair.
Oh, I'm told by Buffalo General and by
No, I just called the
ECM
TCA.
administrators. All I
Yeah.
need is a adult protective.
I do that too, that way it's recorded, so I don't get in trouble.
He's like, thank you for picking up here. And they still by lawyers, by doctors, by counselors, social workers. Everyone in these spending care for the last 2 years, they discharged me because it's not safe for me in China.
Well, right now,
And
Andy.
every time they get help, they refuse to listen to adult protective.
Look at all these people here. Look at all these people here. We're all here to help you, and we're all here to talk to you now. And you don't want to take our help. I don't want to put anything in writing. I'm not going to call Adult Protective Services. They're closed. They're closed, Andy.
They have the morning shift call.
Yeah, they're right down.
Okay, but we don't have any contact with them. They're a different government agency.
Why?
Because they're
can you
not police. We're police,
Well, you
Andy.
can make a referral.
No, because they're already talking to you.
But
If we
they
refer
won't
you,
help me.
okay,
They
then
won't
how
help
can we
me.
refer
Why don't you
you?
request for a new person then?
I've been asking for our county assistant.
Okay, but right now, all these people want to help you.
Technically, I'm supposed to work citizens in our county. Why do you think
Andy, we gotta get up on the stretcher, bud.
Mark Holmes clerk's office, Bill Rodriguez,
Okay.
Commissioner of your county assistant, all said in these my kids are still to OPW.
Andy, you gotta wait it
And they
out.
won't do
All these
that.
people here want to talk to you, but we're tying up all the time. But we're all here to help you tonight. We got all these people to talk to tonight. You got doctors that are going to talk to tonight, and you got to take the help and say, hey, here I am. I'm Andy. I'm a new man tonight. I'm going to be nice to everybody, and I'm going to listen to advice.
I would have been nice to you. If you
Okay.
just let me talk
Andy,
to
I've
you
been
outside the
talking
window.
to you.
Why
I've been
did
talking to you.
drive away from me?
I didn't
You
drive. I
talked
backed
to
up,
me.
Andy, because you're acting a little bit. You're okay. Listen.
You don't know what it is.
I don't want you approaching my window, okay? Because of the COVID thing and everything else, I didn't want you approaching my window, okay? So I'm talking to you right now.
Well, you're looking to your
No, I'm about.
and you're not wearing a mask.
Correct, because I lost my mask over there when I took it off to get in my car. So I got to go back and find my mask.
And then you're at a high risk of getting COVID. That's
So am
why
I.
you're
So am I.
helping you.
And that's why I'm upset I lost my mask. I lost it in the street back there, probably when we were chasing you.
Won't keep me because of this.
All right, can you do me a favor? Listen, we're both at risk here. Can you at least get on the stretcher so you're not putting us both at risk for COVID? Because I don't want to get it. Okay, can you just stand up? Well, you might have. I might have too. I don't know. I don't know. Right?
It's very scary.
It is,
because
Andy. It's terrifying.
everybody did it
I know.
second time.
But that's why I don't want to. I don't want to. You know.
If you guys would have told me you guys were supposed to put my 911, I would have waited there. You guys never told me
Well,
that.
but we told you now, and you don't want to. You don't want to help us out.
Away from you guys,
Yes.
you guys weren't helping me.
But we are now. We're helping you.
Yeah,
Can you just get on the stretcher?
unlawfully.
So we're not unlawful. Come on,
How
we're
is
trying
it
to help you.
unlawfully?
What is the difference
Okay,
whether we
can
helped you
just
now
say this?
here or 2 blocks
Can
away?
I just say this? I understand you have to because I can't care for myself.
Right,
But
thank you.
why did you guys never do this anytime you guys come out?
We have
Why
done
are
this,
you
Andy.
doing it just now?
But we
for
have done
issue?
this. Because Andy, we're afraid you're going to get hit by a car, and we
But
don't
how
want you
is
to do
that
that.
so doing?
Okay, but we can't taxi people around back and forth, okay? We just want you to get some help tonight, okay? We want you to talk to somebody and get some medical help tonight.
Can I just say this? If I was a threat to myself, why did I get my dad on my Tylenol and Benadryl other than what I used to?
Listen, I don't know.
And I just
Come on,
took it
man. You
when I
told
was
me,
waiting
listen.
for you.
Can we just get on the
If
stretcher?
I was
So
a threat to myself, why did I take in all the 2 days I had?
we just don't want you to get hit by a car,
I
okay?
understand that.
And I don't want to get COVID. And you don't want to get COVID. Can you hop up on there so you can get in a safe ambulance where you're safely away from the COVID, and then you're going to talk to the doctor about getting medical help. All right?
They're not gonna help me.
Come on, you can at least try. Come on, we're going to try, Andy.
How does it really go?
It'll look
I don't
good
know.
if you keep going though, you know? It'll look better if you keep going.
Come on,
I'm
man.
trying to get my rib.
All right.
Because they won't let me have these in there. They won't let me have these. And this is how
Need some light?
Yeah,
All hurting your eyes now, am I? There you go. Alright, perfect. Those are nice earplugs.
You want to put your headphones in there then?
You can keep them on now.
I'll keep them on then in there, yeah.
Okay. Alright, you want to put your bag up?
I know, man. We're going to get you help, Andy. We're getting you help right now.
Every place I go, I can get some help.
You need help up?
Thanks, Citizen.
Ouch.
Alright, you can do it. You want me to take those?
Yeah.
I want to put it behind us.
I can do it. I don't want to hurt you guys' back.
Hold on. You got one.
Yeah, please. Sorry. How you doing? I'll just walk it over here.
You're good. We got it now.
You got it?
Yeah, we got it. There you go. Crack in the pack, okay?
Look, everywhere in these gone to, I'll call it a hospital abusing because of the resources. And you guys know that. I'm just trying to, I mean...
Well, we're hoping you get some sleep, alright? Hey, remember what I told you, though? You gotta be nice. Okay? Be nice to the
I
doctors.
don't even have a paper on because
Then they'll get you one.
by APS.
Okay, listen. Tell them that, and they'll get you one, okay?
Well, they told me it's safe. And yet Andy has medical documentation stating I need a gun.
We'll get you one.
You don't know ECMC.
But you already know it's going to be a little bumpy to get in, okay?
Yeah.
Did you lock it?
I just don't understand how they can't help me.
Alright. Good luck, Andy. Good luck to you, bro.
They'll eventually have to, you're ready.
Yeah, I would think so, right?
Every time Andy goes, I get sent out.
Do you want one of us to? Do you need us to?
Would you not go to call if you can
No.
manage it?
Oh, no. We never do unless they're fighting or if they're going to
Oh.
fight.
Okay.
I mean, I just want help. And then
You gotta go.
I don't really like
Well, you gotta be nice tonight, Andy, okay?
I'm always
Well, not always. Not always.
Okay, ready?
I mean, the way you interact with me, it's not at all
Yeah, put it my way.
anything, like everything else. I'm frustrated.
I get it. Alright, Andy, good luck to you.
Alright, Andy. I'm going to sit next to you, okay?
Can I have my phone, please?
No.
Why?
Because we're putting you on speakers and we're going to go down to ECM. So
I have a right to my phone. Who said I can have it?
They're going to give it back to you when you talk to your doctor, okay?
Can I have a picture of that 941?
No.
Why?
Ask the hospital for it. Let the doctor decide that, okay?
Are you going to be nice to my partner on the
I
line?
want my phone. I have a legal right to that. You can't just take it away from me.
Andy, they're just storing it away with the rest of your property till you get to the hospital, okay?
Can I have my phone,
You
please?
can have it.
You can't take it away. It's a Fourth Amendment right. It's a violation of my Fourth Amendment right.
Hey, Andy, we're just going to take a nice ride down to ECM.
Can I have my phone to call my dad?
Oh, I'm sorry. We have all your stuff together so you don't lose any.
I have a right to my phone,
I know, Andy,
please.
they'll let you call when you get to the hospital.
I want my phone, and you can't deny me it. It's against the law.
All right, listen. We're good.
You're good?
Yeah.
I want my phone, please.
Turn on the light. Shut off.
I want my phone, please. I have a legal right to it. I'm not going to give you guys a hard time, and I'm trying to be good. I have my coping skills on there.
Okay, so what are some of the
I
coping
need
skills?
my phone, please.
No, talk to me. What are some of the
I
coping
need my
skills?
phone, please. I have a right. You can't hold it against me.
Oh, Andy, you gotta stay
Yeah, give me my phone, please. I have a right to my phone. I have a right to my phone. You can't hold it against me.
Sit down.
I have a right to my phone.
Andy, this is not good.
I have a right to my
This
phone.
is not good. You gotta sit down.
I have a right to my phone.
Stop.
Can I have my phone,
Andy,
please?
you're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
Why? Because I want my
You do not
phone.
spit on us. This is why you can't get the help you need because
I
you're,
want my phone.
you're being mean to people.
It's not against.
We're trying to help you
It's
and you're
against
spitting
the
on us.
Fourth Amendment right
Okay,
to refuse
you're about
it.
to be arrested and go to jail, Andy.
You'll arrest
Is
me.
that
At
what you
least
want
my
to do?
needs are met then.
In jail?
Yeah.
That's how we're gonna meet your needs. Sitting in a jail cell.
I just want my phone.
You gotta stop, Andy.
Why can't Andy
You
not
can
have
have
my
your phone when you get to the hospital.
But you
gotta
can't
stop.
deprive it to me.
It's packed up with your property. You can't, because you're on an ambulance. Listen, they have electronics in the ambulance And your
yeah,
phone will
Andy always
interfere.
uses it. My coping skills are on there.
Okay, but
Andy,
your electronics could interfere with the
and
electronics
Andy
on the
also
ambulance.
has my medical thing on there.
Okay, but you want all the equipment in here to go dead?
They can't. It doesn't happen that way.
It does.
It does not. I know
Okay.
technology.
You have to lay down and you have to
Can
get to
I
the
have my
hospital.
phone,
Not
please?
right this second.
Why?
You can't. You can't.
Then
What are
arrest
you going to
me.
do? What are you
Then
going to do?
detain me.
What are you going to do on your
Then
phone?
detain me. I
You
just
are
want
detained.
my phone.
You're being 941. What do you want your phone
I want
for?
my phone for my coping skills and to call my dad. That's all. And to give them my medical card. That's all Andy wants it for.
Put him on the... But it's some... Oh, okay.
I just want my phone, and Andy has a right to it.
No.
I might have one. I might have one in my
Yeah.
Can I have my phone, please?
Andy, you can't take your phone.
Why?
Not till you get to the hospital.
I have my medical records, and we can show
You'll be
them.
able to access it once you get to the hospital.
I want my phone.
And you'll be able to get it once you get to
I
the
have a
hospital.
right. You're not arresting me.
You just gotta cooperate.
You're
with
not
us and get
arresting me,
EMTs,
so it's
okay?
against my Fourth Amendment right. Is your body cam on?
It is.
Then you're depriving me my right to have my property.
You can't have it on the
Why?
ambulance.
Why? Why? Why can I not have my phone? Article 18.242 does not allow you to hold everybody else who can have their phone, but I can't. Why are you not allowing me my phone? Because Andy's recording? Is that why?
Because you're making threats of hurting yourself.
I never threatened anyone.
Make a medical decision for you. That includes.
I'm calling my dad. That's not hurting myself. Andy just wants to call my dad. I have a legal right to my lawyer too, now that you're depriving me of that.
Andy, if I call your dad on my phone...
Can Andy have my lawyer to call, please?
No.
Why not?
If I call your dad on my phone...
Can Andy call my lawyer, please?
Can you answer
You
my
cannot
question?
deny me a lawyer. Can you?
Andy, I'm sure your lawyer's not up
You
right now
cannot
anyways.
deny me my lawyer.
You're not under
You're
arrest.
not allowed to deny me my phone or property. It's against the law.
You can't have your phone in the back of an ambulance. That's
Yes,
the-
I
that's the law.
can. Show me the laws where that can't have it then, please. Can you show it to me?
Do you want me to show you the law where you get arrested for spitting on somebody, or are we
Andy
going to leave
understands
the penal
that.
law book alone?
I understand that.
Okay, so why don't you sit there and stop
Arrest
talking?
me, please.
We're not arresting you.
Then give me my
We're
phone.
doing you a favor and
Show
not arresting you,
me,
so how about you do us a favor and
show
sit there and
me
stop arguing?
where it is in the law that I can't have my phone when not under arrest.
You're not getting your phone. I'm sorry.
Why? Because you're afraid Andy's going to call somebody to get you to charge you guys? Police misconduct. That's why you're not arresting me. You know you're depriving me my civil rights. Can I have my phone, please?
Andy, sit down.
I will lay
Alright,
back down.
Okay,
But I just want my phone.
Listen, you can get your phone at the hospital.
Can you tell me why I can't have my phone?
Because you can't.
Why?
Because you can't. Okay, that's just the EMT's policy. Okay,
But
if you
I
relax,
wanna
you can
have
get it
any other
at the
time.
hospital. Okay.
Thank you for putting pressure on me. That helps.
Sure. Pressure helps you? Alright,
Where's your,
one arm off?
where's that weighted jacket
What do you need?
The teddy bears at the hotel.
Your weighted jacket,
Alright,
though.
Look,
hey,
you don't
Andy,
have to worry
Andy,
about putting
we
that
just need to
on
put
me.
one arm above your head. Okay.
Okay, but can I not have that? Can I not have that?
Just
I
so you
don't
don't
need
jump
that.
up, okay?
I'm not gonna jump out. I just want you guys to help me.
Yep. You're welcome.
I have my coping skills and you're depriving me of that.
Just try to relax, okay,
You're
Andy?
depriving me my right to coping skills.
Everybody here is just trying to help you, okay, man?
But I want my coping skills. And you're not allowing me. You're abusing me. And this is unlawful restraint. And I can't do it with this arm. I have a shoulder injury that is to prevent me from doing it that like
It's not
that.
going to go up, it's going to go down. So you don't need to worry about it.
Good.
You guys just cut these when you get there.
and then place new ones on.
Yeah.
Oh, we've had great practice with this. Already today, we're having much.
You know, this is unlawful restraints and it's against the law, you know.
It's against the law to spit on anyone, let alone a police officer.
Well, they deprive me my rights to help. They don't want to listen to me.
Officer.
Yeah, it's also a lawful arrest. Let them arrest me. I'm just defending my right.
Tie my shoe.
Let them arrest me. Is that depriving a citizen their civil rights? Should actually throw shit at them because they just don't want to help me.
No. Alright, David, we're putting a mask on you, okay?
No, I have the right to my headphones. Please.
Okay, and we can put them back on once she gets this on you, okay?
I don't have to.
Andy,
I don't
nobody wants to be spit on, okay?
I'm not going to spit. Just let me not have
That's
that.
why you did it before?
We'll put your headphones on you too, alright?
I don't want that on my face. I don't consent to that, please. I'm not going to spit if you let.
This is COVID regulation.
I'm not going to, because
The
I don't
hospital's
want
going to
to.
require you and we'll force you.
I have sensory problems and it affects my breathing.
It affects everyone's breathing.
I just not going to spit if you could just let me have my property.
We don't trust that. Well, we're past that, okay?
Andy,
Jerry, spit at
you're
us.
not going to spit on them, okay? You got to wear this.
Don't have to. I'm not going to spit, okay?
You already
You're
spat.
denying me my civil rights.
Alright, we're gonna put these back on you, just like normal seatbelts.
Yeah, you're refusing my headphones.
It's behind
my
your
safety.
officer up front.
You're denying me my earmuffs, which is my safety when they close the doors and stuff. Can I have my earmuffs, please?
Not right now. Can you
Why?
give me your mouth?
I have a legal right to safety. I have a legal right to be safe.
You are safe. We're putting
And Andy
seatbelts
wants
on.
my earmuffs on.
You okay? Yeah.
Andy wants my earmuffs. Can you put my earmuffs on? You're hurting
What do you
me.
need, dear?
I want my earmuffs.
Well, we gotta put your straps on, dude. I don't know where this one went.
Andy wants my earmuffs.
Where'd this one go?
Andy has
Are
a
you worried about
right
it?
to
No.
earmuffs.
Me neither. Cool. Do you still want someone to follow or come on board? Oh no, we're good. We're good.
Can I please have my earmuffs?
He had him. He had him. I don't know where they went.
We'll get your, where's your...
Alright, we got
Can
your
I have my earmuffs on my head? That hurts my ears.
There you go, perfect.
I don't know why it's so hard that you're refusing me my civil rights.
Okay, cool. It's not a danger.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, you mind closing that door?
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night.